All right, we're gonna try my AK-917 2S. Rear light. All right, here we go. Well, it was decent, I guess. Didn't seem too oddly fast, but it was moving pretty decent. Nice. It's like 5 more. Yeah, I was hoping for 110. That's pretty close. It's only 2,900 feet, so yeah, if I had more distance, but this road is just not it. This is my second road. I couldn't make it to the other one tonight, but I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'll show you the inside. This is like the fourth or fifth pass on the car. I went like 93, 98 or 9, I think. There's a big rock fell out of it. And then I went like 103 last time out, or 2, I can't remember. Just under 100, right at 100. That's good. That's good. Not bad. It's all safe. Yeah, here's the battery. It's a 2S SMC Awesome battery. Hardly drops voltage at all. But I'm just now starting to gear it up a bit, so it'll start dropping off a little more. But so far, it's been an awesome battery. My best 2S so far, I've found. Well, that's it. TP motor, Mambo Monster X8S, BSR foams, and our Rlaarlo AK-917.